Hi boys and girls, welcome to our next lesson called Model with Bar Models. The essential question is this: how can you use bar models to solve or model a division problem? Let's find out. Here is our problem for today. A dog trainer has 20 dog treats for 5 dogs in his class. If each dog gets the same number of treats, how many treats will each dog get? Alright, can anybody tell me what these circles represent? Good, those circles represent the 5 dogs. How many treats does our dog trainer have? Good, he has 20 treats. So we're going to use the strategy that we learned the other day. We're going to give each dog 1 treat until we hand out all 20 treats. Now remember, one dog doesn't want to get more or less than the other dogs, so we have to make sure that we keep them equal. Make sure that every dog gets the same number of treats. So there I did 10. I'm only halfway there. 11, 12. I know this takes a while. 13, 14, 15. I'm almost there. I need to give out 5 more. There's 16, 17, 18, 19, and there we go. All 20 treats have been handed out to the 5 dogs. How many counters are in each of the 5 groups? Yes, there are 4 counters. 20 divided into 5 equal groups is 4. A bar model can show how the parts of a problem are related. Complete this bar model to show 20 dog treats divided into 5 equal groups. So here we have the total at the bottom. This shows that there's 20 total dog treats. How many equal groups do we have? Yes, we have 5. And how many are in each equal group? 4. So we put 4 in each of these boxes to represent 5 groups of 4. So each dog will get how many treats? 4, that's right. Yummy. I hope they're bacon flavored delicious treats. Parker and Oscar would love that. Alright, now we're going to mix it up just a little bit. The dog trainer still has the 20 dog treats. If he decides he wants to give each dog 5 treats, if he gives 5 treats to each of the dogs in his class, how many dogs could be in his class? So now we've changed it up. He doesn't have 5 dogs anymore. Now he has 5 treats that he's giving to the dogs. Each dog will get 5. So here we draw a group of 5. I'm just going to trace this, sort of. There's one group of 5. Let's do another group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And another group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then our last group of 5. So we have 20 treats. Each dog gets 5. Now, how many dogs would be in his class? 4, because there are now 4 groups of 5. Now, let's look at how that looks on a bar model. Complete the bar model to show 20 treats divided into groups of 5 treats. We still have the 20 treats, but now each dog is getting 5 treats. But how many boxes would we have? We would have 4 boxes, wouldn't we? I'm going to add 2 more boxes down here. Because if we have 20 treats and they each get 5 treats, that would be how many dogs? 4 dogs. So there must be 4 dogs in his class. That's 2 different ways to use the bar model to solve division. Now let's look at 2 ways that we can record or write our division. we can write it with the total number first. This is called the dividend. The dividend is the number that is to be separated into equal groups. So in this case, we had 20 treats that were being divided. There's our division symbol, and here is how many equal groups we were making. This is called the divisor. The divisor is the number that divides the dividend. The divisor, if you look at OR, that means the person or thing that's doing this action. It is the number that is dividing this total or dividend. There's our equals, and there is our answer. The answer to a division problem is the quotient. And there it says the quotient is the answer to a division problem. Now, we also can write it like this. You can have this total number inside what I call a den, and then you can have this number outside and the answer on the top. All right, guys, let's see if you can remember. Hint, you can even look back at the picture to see. This 20, or the number that is being separated into equal groups, is called what? The dividend. You're right. And here's a quick, fun way to remember it. Look, remember I called this little cave-like thing a den? Boom, D-E-N. The dividend is in the den. That's an easy way to remember that this number is called the dividend. It's in the den or the cave. All right, this 5 is telling us to separate this dividend or divide this dividend into 5 equal groups. What is that number called that tells us to divide the dividend? That's right, it's the divisor. It's the one that's doing the dividing. Just like I'm the teacher, I'm the one doing the teaching, right? So the divisor is doing the dividing. And then what is the answer to a division problem called, everybody? Yeah, I heard it. Quotient. It's a crazy word, but it's fun. The quotient. One more activity for today's lesson. It says complete the picture to find 12 divided by 4. Here we have our 12 counters. We're dividing into groups of 4. So we have one group of 4. We're going to draw another group of 4 and draw this group of 4. 12 divided by 4 equals how many groups? 3. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Great job, guys. All right, boys and girls, that is the end of our lesson, Model with Bar Models. You are ready to go on and do your journal. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.